Okay. So, good evening, all of you.
Hello, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hello.
Good evening.
Very good evening. Okay, just we'll start. Just recap me what you studied in last lecture. Yes. What you studied in last lecture?
Consistency and inconsistency.
Consistent and inconsistent solution.
Example of a system.
Okay, example on that
Yes, sir.
non-homogeneous system. We are given some example. Okay. We are given some example. In that example, we solve whether the system have infinite or whether system have finite number of solution. If system have finite number of solution, if rank of A equal to rank of AB is equal to n, then system is consistent and exist unique
solution.
solution. After that we have see if rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, then system is inconsistent. If rank of A not equal to rank of AB, the system is inconsistent and having
No solution.
Solution.
very good. Then if rank of A equal to rank of AB and is equal to some number R, then is less
Infinite
than
solution.
less than n, then system is
Infinite number of solutions. Infinite
number of solution. Just in last lecture we have seen this type of concept. So today we see some MCQ depend on this all this topic, because actually the lot of problem is there. That's why we cannot take that next problem. कारण की मी आज काय केलंय, रायटिंग पॅड पण आणलेलं नाहीये की तुम्हाला काय द्यायचंय ते. ओके, और बेटर वी टेक टुमॉरो वी टेक एग्जाम एमसीक्यू, और टुडे वी टेक एमसीक्यू. एमसीक्यू कधी घ्यायचे, उद्या का परवा? उद्या का आज घ्यायचे एमसीक्यू? यस,
उद्या सर घेऊ.
उद्या सर, उद्या.
आत्ताच मी दोन
Yes, sir.
ऍक्च्युली आजचा लेक्चरचा प्लॅन माझा नव्हता. आजचं लेक्चर मी दुसरा दिलतं, पण काही प्रॉब्लेम मुळे मला लेक्चर घ्यावं लागतं आज. मी जस्ट आत्ताच 150 किलोमीटर प्रवास करून जस्ट आलोय. जस्ट एक दो
सर उद्या घ्या मग, चालते. ओके.
Sir, we are okay to attend extra lecture tomorrow.
उद्या सकाळी.
we have take the tomorrow extra lecture, no problem, but today we are conducted some example, na? So that's why I asking. So just write down that example. Okay, so try to understand my writing today. Okay. So write down the example. What is the last example? Anybody tell me? What is the last example?
So 2x1 plus x2. 2x1 plus x2 plus 2x3 plus x4 is equal to 6.
What is the solution of that equation? Unique or what?
X1 is equal to 5. X1 is equal to 5. X2 is equal to 1. X3 is equal to -4, and x4 is equal to 3.
Okay. So write the next example. Just try to understand my writing today. Extremely sorry for that. Try to understand. What is the example numbering? What is the example number?
7, sir.
7. Solve. 2x minus y plus 2x minus y minus z equal to 2. Then x plus 2y x plus 2y plus z equal to 2. Please mute yourself to Sudarshan. Sudarshan Gaikwad, mute yourself. Avishkar, please mute yourself. डिस्टर्बन्स नसेल तर अनम्यूट असले तर चालेल, पण डिस्टर्बन्स होत असेल तर म्यूट ठेवा. 4x minus 7y minus 5z equal to 2. Okay. Solve 2x minus y minus z equal to 2. Then x plus 2y plus z equal to 2. And 4x minus 7y minus 5z equal to 2. Solve it. Let's try to solve. Solve करता है ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Solve करता है ना?
Yes,
Sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So start. Fine. Just solve it. Just solve it. Solve it. Solve it. Thank you.
Thank you. Two x minus y minus z is equal to 2. Then x plus 2y plus z is equal to 2. 4x minus 7y minus 5z is equal to 2. Here we are 2. Huh? So what is the solution we have got? The last step we need. Huh? So what is the matrix is 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, what about the last step? Just tell me. Okay. In chat window, tell me or anywhere.
Okay. No Tanmay, just wait. Prajwal, answer is right. Answer is right. But what about the solution? Tell me. Sudarshan, answer is wrong. Tanmay, and the system is consistent but not unique solution. Prajwal, your answer is right. But what about the solution? Atharva, very good. Atharva, very good. Your answer is right. No, Shubham, your answer will be wrong. Shubham, you solve for the particular value. Shubham. Rutuja is right. बाळा तिकडे जावा बाळांनो. Okay, so what about the, yes, rank is 2, no doubt. So rank is 2 means what? Rank is 2 means what? Is it less than 3, na? Rank is 2 means what? Less than 3. So what is your matrix become? So all of you see the screen? That screen
Sir.
I will share from the mobile. Hello?
Yes, sir, we can see it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what about that matrix is 0, 0, 0, 0. So your last row is what? Last row is 0, 0, 0, na? Okay.
Infinite
Please
solution.
mute yourself. ज्यांचे कोण disturbance आहे त्यांनी mute ठेवलं चालेल. Okay. And what about the second row? What about the second row?
0
Minus
minus
5,
5
minus
minus
0 minus 5
2.
minus 3 minus 2
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 5, minus 3.
minus 2
Minus 2.
minus 2.
So from this equation, you have find that easily rank of A is 2. Okay. Rank of A equal to 2. What about the next? Rank of
Rank of AB is equal to 2.
Rank of
AB.
AB is equal to
AB
2.
is equal to 2.
rank of AB is equal to 2. So that's why we written as rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to 2. Means what do you say that? What do you say that? Yes?
System
It has infinite solution.
system is consistent and having
Consistent.
And it
infinitely
has
many
infinite solution.
Is
Consistent and infinite solution.
consistent and having
Infinite solutions.
infinite number of solutions. Having infinite number of solutions. We will find that infinite number of solution. So for that, what is the infinite number of solution? For that we make equation. What is the first equation? X plus, yes,
Y plus
2y plus
Z.
z equal
Z
to
is equal to 2.
2.
Is equal to 2.
What about the second equation? Minus 5y
Minus 3Z
3z
is
equal
equal
to
to minus 2. Minus 2.
Okay, these are the two equation. This two equation and three unknown. दोन इक्वेशन आणि तीन अननोन असेल तर काय करणार आपण? We put one variable as a
Zero.
dummy variable.
0. 0.
Not 0, dummy variable. A dummy variable, we cannot know the exact value of that variable.
Okay.
So for that, we have put better way, put z equal to t. So what is value of t? So t belongs to r. T belongs to r. T म्हणजे काय? R आहे. R. What is the value of r? What is the value of r?
Any real number.
Any number, any real number means from minus infinity to plus infinity. Either it is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, or either it is minus 1, minus 2, or minus infinity, any value. When you put the in general z equal to t. So what about the y? Put z equal to t in above equation, means second equation. What is the y? So 5y. Yes. What is the value of y? 5y is equal to 2 minus 3t. So what is the value of y? Yes. 2 minus 3t.
2 minus 3 by 5.
5. क्लिअर सगळ्यांनी लिहून
Yes,
घेतलं
sir.
इथपर्यंत हा.
Yes, sir.
Your first equation is this one. First equation is this one. Okay. From this we have found that rank of A equal to rank of AB is equal to 2. Therefore, system is consistent and having infinite number of solution. And that solution is x plus 2y plus z equal to 2 minus 5y minus 3z equal to minus 2. So z equal to t, put z equal to t, where t belongs to r. So 5y equal to that, y equal to this one. Now we put z and y in above equation. We put z and y in above equation. Okay, above equation मध्ये जर z and y put केलं तर काय भेटेल? x equal to रे, x equal to काय भेटला? yes x equal to 6 plus t divided by 5. Okay, so what is the x equal to 6 plus t divided by 5? Y equal to 2 minus 3t divided by 5. Z equal to t such that t belongs to r. तुम्ही एका ओळीत लिहा, माझ्याकडे जागा नसल्यामुळे मी एका खाली x लिहितो. ओके, x equal to 6 plus t divided by 5, y equal to 2 minus 3t divided by 5, and z equal to t belongs to r. Clear all this? Everyone clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Still if any doubt?
Yes.
Clear, Dattatreya, Shubham and Prajwal, why you cannot put z equal to 0? तुम्ही जी व्हॅल्यू काढली ती पर्टिक्युलर व्हॅल्यू साठी काढली. तुम्ही वरती काय लिहितायत? वरती काय लिहितात? सिस्टम इज कन्सिस्टंट अँड हॅव इन्फायनाइट नंबर ऑफ सोल्युशन. तर तुमच्या सोल्युशन मध्ये इन्फायनाइट नंबर दिसतंय का रे? नाही, तुमच्या सोल्युशन मध्ये एकच सोल्युशन दिसतं, दॅट इज युनिक सोल्युशन. पण आपलं युनिक आहे का? सिस्टमला काय इन्फायनाइट नंबर ऑफ सोल्युशन, दॅट द व्हॅल्यू. म्हणजे हे जे काय व्हॅल्यू काढले, ह्या व्हॅल्यूवरून तुम्हाला काय कळतंय? Your system have infinite number of solution. Clear? Everyone clear this?
Sir, how did you find value of x? Can you repeat that
Atharva.
again?
If you put the value, how you find the value of x? That's your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Asking for calculation.
So we are asking for calculation. Okay, just you have see. So what is the value of first x plus 2y? X plus what? 2y
Plus z.
plus z equal to 2, na?
2. Yeah.
So we put the value of x. We don't know x. We know the value of y. What is the value of y? 2 into. What is the value of y? 2 minus
2 minus 3t by 5.
5.
plus. What is the value of z? T equal to 2.
Equals to
Take the LCM. X plus किती? 2 into 2. 4 by 5.
4 by 5 minus
Minus
6t by 5.
60 by
60 by
5
5.
plus t equal to 2. बरोबर आहे? मग हा 60 by 5 आणि हा t combine करा. How we combine? Take LCM is 5. When you take LCM is 5, what do you get the answer? So x equal to, yes, minus 60 plus 5t divided by 5. बरोबर आहे का? वाटलं जरा प्लस म्हणा, इथे मायनस म्हणा, इज इक्वल टू 2 minus 4 by 5. Just take the calculation. What is minus 60 plus 5t? Minus t by 5. Minus t by 5 ला तिकडे घेऊन जा, का होणार? प्लस t by 5. आणि 2 minus 4 by 5 का होणार? तर 2 minus 4 by 5. What is common LCM is 5, means 10 minus 4 divided by 5. What is the answer? 6 by 5. Clear? Atharva? Atharva?
Sir,
Rest of
clear.
people- Yes, okay. Rest of people clear this point? Clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, still if any doubt, still if any doubt, please ask me. 'पुढचे एक्झाम्पल देऊ का रे मित्रांनो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, हे झालंय का सगळ्यांचं आधी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what are the next example? 8-1. Two x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to 1. 3x plus y minus z equal to 2. X plus 4y minus 6z is equal to 1. X plus 4y minus 6z equal to 1. Solve this example. Solve this example. Everyone solve this. Everyone solve this. What is the example? 2x minus 3y plus 5z. That is the 5. That term is 5 plus 5z. Plus 5z equal to 1. Second, 3x plus y minus z equal to 2. X plus 4y minus 6z equal to 1. Just solve it. Okay, rank is 2. Yes, Rohini is right. What about the solution? What about the solution? Find it. What about the solution? Find it. Rank is 2. Very good. What about the solution? Find it. थोडं राहिलं थांब जरा. Yes, Atharva is right, but yes, system may have infinite number of solution, yes. But what about the infinite number solution that we have find, na?
Okay, sir.
So what is the matrix we have got? Yes. 1, 1, 4, minus 6. 1, 4, minus 6, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. Last row becomes 0, 0, 0. What about this second row?
minus 11, 17, 1.
Minus 11,
17, 1. Minus
71. So find obviously the z equal to what?
Minus 1, sir.
Minus 1.
one.
Sir, minus 1.
Last one, na? Okay.
Plus minus
sir.
1.
Last one. Okay. Okay. So we just got that. We got the z equal to t, y equal to yes 1 plus 17t divided by 11. What about the x equal to? X equal to yes.
2t plus 7 upon 11.
9. 7 minus 2t असं ना. 7 minus 2t divided by 11. असे देगा power. T belongs to R.
Yes, sir.
7 minus 2t divided by 11. Okay, 7 minus 2t divided by 11. T belongs to R. Very good. Yes. So all of you get the good answer. Now, all of you see the screen. Sagan Disti,
Yes, sir.
take the screenshot of this. Take the screenshot of this. So solve example number 4. Solve example number 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 10. Then 12. Solve this 4, 5, 6, 10, 12 example. किती solve करणार? 4, 5, 6, 10, 12. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 10, 12. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
मित्रांनो समजलं ना आज लेक्चर काय प्रॉब्लेम
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
सगळ्यांना ना क्लिअर झालं ना
नो प्रॉब्लेम.
ओके ओके कारण की काय झालं
Yes,
मी
sir.
खूप आज प्रवास करून आलो इथे आणि आज ऍक्च्युली काय झालं की कॉलेज नसल्यामुळे जी स्लेट आहे स्लेट आपल्या कॉलेजमध्येच राहिली आहे त्यामुळं मोबाईलवरती लिहावं लागलं आणि मोबाईलवरती एवढं सुटेबल लिहिता येत नाही एवढं हँड रिटर्न म्हणजे व्यवस्थित नाही काढता येत त्याच्यामुळे प्रॉब्लेम येते ओके सो मी अबसेंट नंबर टाकलाय पहा प्रत्येकाचे अबसेंट नंबर त्यामध्ये जर कोणाचा नंबर आहे तर चेक करा 9 16 17 18 26 31 34 49 50 so how x value is 7 x is not x value na it's x value is 7 minus 2t na yes Rohini, what is the equation of first equation Rohini, what is the first equation सगळ्यांनी स्क्रीनशॉट घेतला याचा
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके what is the first equation what is the
X
equation
plus-
first what is the equation first fastly
X plus 4y minus 6z
6z.
x plus 4y
minus 6z
minus 6z equal to
equals to 1.
1.
1 what is the value of y what is the value of y
1
1
plus
plus
7
Plus
17t.
11.
Upon
1 plus
11.
17t
17t.
divided by
by 11.
Upon
11
11.
minus 6 z ची व्हॅल्यू किती
7.
ओके ओके
T.
सो जस्ट सिम्प्लिफाय x पावर का कॉमन एलसीएम किती हो 11 हा हे किती झालं 4
हम्म.
17 चौक
Plus
68
68.
t minus common LCM is 11 so multiply by 6 sorry 11 so 11 into 6 66 t is equal to 1 just simplify what do you get the answer x plus काय भेटलो x plus yes 4 plus
4 plus
2t
2
divided by
2t.
11 is equal to 1 ते तिकडे शिफ्ट करा म्हणजे x इक्वल टू काय होणार 1 मायनस 4 प्लस 2t डिवाइडेड बाय 11 हा जो मायनस आहे ना हा पूर्ण ब्रॅकेटला हे लक्षात ठेवा आता कॉमन एलसीएम आहे 11 कॉमन एलसीएम आहे 11 11 वजा 4 7 minus 2t so 7 minus 2t divided by 11 आलं लक्षात रोहिणी
Yes, sir.
clear it ना
Yes, sir.
still if you have a doubt please ask me no problem okay so okay कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम still if you have any doubt please ask me hello